Global construction is the $12 trillion industry that's stuck in the 90s. Today, we'll show you how Matrak's new AI agents automate the critical but boring admin work, making construction more reliable, cheaper, and unlocking more affordable housing for everyone. Every construction project involves hundreds of companies, suppliers, logistics, manufacturers, and they're all firing thousands and thousands of spreadsheets back and forth, then wondering why no one can stay on top of what's happening. This is why projects constantly run years behind schedule and many millions over budget. So why has this happened? Architects have advanced 3D systems to design buildings, but with hundreds of companies across global supply chains, everybody is gambling on the weakest link. One dude in Portugal loses their paperwork, and that massively disrupts your data center in Greece. And every stage of the lifecycle generates more and more documents: drawings, engineers' reports, BOQs, purchase orders, inspection results, certification, LCAs, schedule revisions. No one can stay on top of this. And that's why today we're launching Matrak Connect, our agentic AI system that automates the entire construction lifecycle. Right now it's available in early access and it's coming soon to the entire industry, and we're including a very generous free tier so everybody can benefit. Here's how it works. So let's say you want to win a new project. Matrak connects to Salesforce, monitoring the deals you're tracking. Once you have the construction drawings available, it starts the tender process just like your team member would. First, it identifies all of the construction products by analyzing the text and symbols on the drawing, creating a takeoff. Instead of days, it's completed in minutes. Matrak then uses your own product library to determine which parts are needed, their price, lead time, carbon, and then it generates a quote. This quote gets pushed back to Salesforce for your team to review and submit, giving you the volume to win more work with a fraction of the overhead. Matrak gives you control of your deadlines. First, it's monitoring your doc management system, Aconex, ACC, SharePoint, or Procore, for any updates to the construction schedule. When a new revision appears, Matrak Connect analyzes it, creating tasks, identifying start and end dates, and assigning them to each subcontractor. As your subcontractors submit packing lists, shipping reports, inspection results, or progress payment requests, Matrak Connect ticks off their progress against these tasks with an audit history of what was completed and when. Then it calculates throughput. So if a supplier is running behind schedule, Matrak can escalate the issue until it's resolved with reports, emails, and SMS. It's a safety net without the overhead. Here we have a complex environmental product declaration, or EPD, a long document containing embodied carbon, compliance, and safety information for a single product. A typical project uses thousands of these products, so this is a nightmare already. Matrak Connect automates it, fetching carbon values for every product immediately. So now we want to know the carbon budget for the whole project. We import the BOQs, Matrak links each BOQ line item to an EPD or to a major carbon database. It calculates the embodied carbon of every product, showing it's working so it's easy to review and approve. Now we have the carbon budget for your whole project, taking minutes instead of weeks, but we can still go a step further. A supplier has now emailed a packing list to your procurement coordinator. Matrak Connect can automatically monitor those emails, make updates based on the spreadsheets sent to you and your team. It uses the dimensions of each product to calculate the embodied carbon, giving you real-time validation of how you're tracking against your project's carbon budget, and gives you the auditability to meet the legislative requirements around the world. These examples showcase the core of the tech, but you can push it as far as you like. Matrak Connect's AI agents move between these 7 areas of the construction lifecycle, connecting the dots as they go. An automated BOQ becomes an automated purchase order, automated schedule updates create automated quality tasks, and once it's enabled, everything runs in the background, so you get the benefit without needing to train your team to use yet another system. My brother and I founded Matrak in 2018 to solve the construction supply chain issues we'd seen firsthand. In 2019, we patented our first AI takeoff system to automate the process of tracking supply chain materials internationally. Today, 1 in 5 major projects in Australia and Hong Kong run on Matrak. We've delivered over 700 construction projects, tower blocks, data centers, hospitals, and rail. We want everyone to get access to this, which is why we're making Matrak Connect available in our generous free tier, so you can start automating your admin straight away. If you'd like early access before the public launch, you can join the waitlist here. If you'd like to join these leaders in the next wave of construction, register today and stay tuned for our public release very shortly.